Kyle McCarthy, great to see you. Great to be here on Kincoed campus, and the season, a very long season, has finally come to an end. In terms of Cardiff Met, how would you assess the season that you guys had?
I think if you asked us at the start of the season what success looked like, obviously we strive to finish in the top six and push towards Europe. But I think in the context of the turnover in players that we've had a lot of young boys that have come through and done really well. I think if you would say you'd be in a playoff position and also in a cup final, I think we would have taken that towards the end.
And for you personally, you don't score many goals, it's fair to say, but there's one goal this season that comes to mind, that incredible strike against Haverfordwest. What was that like? Because that honestly left us all speechless. We didn't know where it came from.
Yeah, I was a bit taken back that you sounded more surprised, really. Yeah, I'd be lying if I said we worked on that in training. But yeah, it was just one of those that came out in play. Chris Baker did well to bring it down. Elliot provided nicely with a little set and just tried to get it on target more than anything, and thankfully it just zipped into the top corner. So yeah, like I said, I don't get many, so I'll save it for the archive.
Well, you enjoyed it. We definitely enjoyed it because, Kyle, you have won
Oh, wow.
the goal of the season for the 21-22 season. This is why we're here. Huge congratulations. You look genuinely a bit shocked.
I am. No, there was obviously some good goals involved in the actual competition itself. So, no, I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Like I said, it's one for the archive, and yeah, quite proud of it.
More of the same next season?
Hopefully, yeah. If I can get that
Couple
high
more
up,
goals.
if I can get that high up the pitch, yeah, it'd be nice. We'll see. But yeah, I'll take it for what went in.
Well, Kyle, huge congratulations.
Thank you very much.